Alright, went outside trying to locate this line. I'm having a hard time. There's the city tap. It's 88 feet away from this toilet. Hard to tell if it's running out the back or the front. Figured I'd make this video. This is an old concrete sewer line. Found no stoppages between this toilet and the city main. However, there are roots in various sections with it growing through the concrete. We're going to make this video, pull this line all the way back, and I will have to locate it about every 5 feet from there. Fun times at Ridgemont High. Personally, I think it runs out the back because I know when this house was built, there's some stuff there we don't need to talk about. The house was originally built, should have had a septic tank on it. I don't believe they had city sewer, so I do not believe it runs out the front. So now we're going to start hitting water at the 60 feet mark. There are various bellies in this drain. The entire length from this commode riser. Just happens over time, especially with concrete pipe. Comes out of the water for a second there, but you can still see we're in concrete pipe. You can see the roots right here. It's one section. I don't want this to be a long video, just kind of detailed in what needs to be done. It is cast iron under the house. More roots. More roots. Now we are into cast iron. And again, the cast iron under the house has some various bellies. So we're going to make this video and upload it. And we're going to have to trace the line out every 5 feet or so that we can see where we need to trench and excavate and tunnel. And we are at the riser now. There's the camera head.